sing in the room.
Why?
Because that song is composed of, I think, 3 or 4. It's made up of inspirational songs that our musical director composed before. So it has a lot of voices and it's not arrangement. That's why it's a bit complicated to sing, to perform.
What are those things that motivated you to join Katirana Group?
Basically, what motivated us is we want to not only to sing for ourselves, but we want to use music, our voices, to inspire other people to touch their hearts and to touch their lives.
That's right.
That's what it is.
Being a member of Katirana affect your social life or your time with those people?
Kurt, answer that question. Kurt, answer.
Actually, hindi naman. It's like 10 times. As in, like, studies din. Parang studies. Priority namin to the then after that. But it also comes with.
So how